In this video, I'll show you how to use runes in League of Legends. Now, when you head over to your collection right here and you go to runes, you'll see I only have one rune page. Now, I actually never edit it from in here. What I do is I will open the game, come into the lobby, select my champion, and then I'll make my runes. This way it's much easier because you can see what the enemy has picked, so you can choose your runes from that. Now, what I suggest you do is once you pick your champion, you're gonna head over to this website called lolvvv.com. And let's say I'm bot lane and I picked Ezreal. Then what you wanna do is search for Ezreal in here, choose bot lane and select EU West or Korea. Now, if I choose Korea, you can see 1 hour ago, 2 hour ago, 3 hour ago, all of these are Korean pro players. And if I click on them, you can scroll down and I can see what runes they took. Now, usually their runes will be the best runes that you can pick in most situations. Now, in very few games, there will be some situational runes that you can choose between, but most of the time, you should just go with these that the Koreans are choosing. So select one, come down here, and then in your lobby, you're just gonna simply copy, just like this, and everything like that. Save it, and you're ready for the game. So I really recommend you do it in the lobby and not before the game, because in the lobby you can see what the enemy picks, you don't know if your champion is banned, all that stuff. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.